How to unsubscribe from emails on Outlook. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can unsubscribe from emails on Outlook. So what do you do first? The first step is to log in into your Outlook account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the page where you'd see all of your inboxes, right? Yes, by clicking on inbox, and then you see your sent items, you see draft. Then by the left side of the screen, you also see different icons like mail, calendar, people, groups, to do, Word documents, etc. Okay. So once you can see all of this, the next step or the next thing to do is to go ahead and select your inbox. All right, ensure you selected your inbox. And once you selected your inbox, all of your inbox messages will be sent here. That is, all of the messages that you've received from people will be revealed here. Okay, you'll see all of them in here. Now once you can see all of them here, the next step is to select the emails that you would want to unsubscribe from. You have to select them one after the other. So first of all, you select the first email. Now, after selecting that particular email, and you've opened it, underneath the email's name, that is the sender's name, you will see the option unsubscribe. Yeah, you'll see unsubscribe. Once you see it, just click on it, and then after clicking on it, just like that, you'll be unsubscribed from that particular email. All right, so just click the unsubscribe link below the sender's name, then click the unsubscribe button in the pop-up window to stop receiving image from the mail list, and then just like that, you will be unsubscribed. So that is how it works. Very simple. So go ahead, select the emails you want to be unsubscribed from, locate the sender's name underneath it, click on the unsubscribe link, and then you will no longer receive messages from that mailing list. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.